Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 7th, 2018, and I wanted to show you my dancing dolphin vine. Now, this does have some different names for it. I was actually given this as some cuttings years ago, and they do have a yellow variety out of it. I don't have that one. I just have the real pretty red one. And I'll include some pictures in this video of what the flowers look like up close. But I just wanted to show this to you here. Now this is getting 14 hours of light a day. And this light is set up on a timer. It's on for 14 hours and then it shuts itself off. I have it under the daylight bulbs. And it's a fluorescent light. So I just wanted to show you this. And I'll get some different angles of it here. Hold on a moment. And I'll put some close-up pictures of what the flower looks like up close. It's a little hard for me to get in right now with all the other plants there. So I had taken some pictures of this up close. And you'll be able to see it pretty good on there. It's a very unique plant. And how it gets its name is it actually looks like a dolphin jumping out of the water. And you can see here it's in a hanging basket. I think it's about 4 plants in there, and it's probably about an 8-inch basket. So it fills out really nice. You definitely want more than one plant in it unless you heavily pinch your other plant to make it nice and full. Now this does get fed with a bloom boost. So, but it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous plant. And I just wanted to show you here what it looks like. And there's more coming actually on it. And you can see here. And how I actually take care of this for water-wise, when the soil feels dry on the top, when I feel it, then I give it water till it runs out the bottom. And I water it with rainwater or melted snow that's been brought to room temperature. I don't give it like tap water or anything like that. I just give it water from outside from nature. And I just water it when the top of the soil feels dry. And I water it till water runs out the bottom. So it is starting to grow out back here around the back, which is what I wanted because I really want it to fill out for me. And I actually started this, and it was given to me by cuttings, and I started it in a little 10-ounce water bottle. I cut the bottle maybe like it was smaller than half, and I punched holes in it because you want really good drainage. And I put my my potting mix in it, and I just stuck my cuttings in, and it did root for me. And I left it grow in there for a little while. And then I believe last year I transplanted it to this hanging basket here, and it's been growing in there ever since. I have another one in a ceramic container, which you can't see it right now, but I think that one's going to bloom too. And they're just very unique plants. I'm not sure where you can get them at, but I just wanted to show you what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.